Okay, in this video what I'm going to cover with you is the belt system and the requirements and procedures of Victory Martial Arts Academy. There's 5 belts. There's white, blue, purple, brown, and black. Each time you come to class you're going to get a hash mark on your belt, which is going to be a black hash mark. And that's going to signify your attendance. Now you got to have 5 or more hash marks per month in order to progress check at the end. The progress check is just going to consist of that the instructor's evaluating your progress, seeing how you're picking up the technique, how confident you are, how fluid you're able to move through the technique and the motions and the drills, just to make sure that you're on track and that everything that you have set, that you have met. Now, as you go through your progress check, at the end upon passing, you're going to receive the blue stripe. And every progress check that you pass, you're going to get the blue stripe. Now at the end of a total of 12 blue stripes, then you're eligible to test for the next belt. So after white belt, you're going to test for blue belt, which is going to consist of physical requirements and technical requirements. Then from blue, it's going to go to purple, then purple to brown, and then brown all the way to black. Now you just got to keep in mind that in the ancient days when the martial artists were training, that they didn't have belt systems like we had today. They had the white belt just to keep on their uniform or their gi, and as they kept training and training and training, they never washed the belt, so eventually that white belt became black, and that's where we got the idea of black belt. That as they continued to train and never gave up, and they kept pushing forward, they got black belt. Now after they kept continuing after black belt, that black belt eventually became white again. It started getting even more worn out, and then it started tearing away a little bit, and then it started getting white. So as you can see that when you hit black belt, it's just the beginning. Now some people, they really don't care about the belt systems, but we have the belt system incorporated to kind of help you set your goals, and so that we can see where your progress is and you can see where your progress is. The most important thing is that you don't just get the belt to wear it around your waist, but you get that black belt for what it'll make out of you to get it. Now most people, they're going to take martial arts, they'll take it for a few months, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and then they'll just kind of give up or just kind of let it float by them. Or maybe they'll even get black belt. Once they get black belt, they quit. But some people, they make it a lifestyle. They never stop training. Even if they take a year off or 6 months off, they're continuing to practice at home. Or maybe they take a few months break, or they're gone away from a year, but then they get back to it and they start training and they start picking up again. And that's what you got to ask yourself. You got to ask yourself, is this just a chapter in your life, or are you willing to make it and adapt it into a lifestyle?